Hi guys, I will discuss the pound sterling. So let's take a start a video. Pound is area filled with water, either natural or the artificially. That is similar. That is the lake pound is the similar bodies, and the fresh water, which is the slow, is the still water. Marsh and the lake pound is the small bodies of fresh water, which is the slow. Pound can be created by the really in naturally process e.g. Floodplain is the cut off river channel is a glacial procedure by the Pathland formation is causes due system by the bravery. On they can similar by the associate formation is a custom due to system by the braver. On they can be simple of associate. Formation is the caused due to system depression such as a hole, vernal pool, and the depression or similar natural and undulations in the underground land. Filtered by the runoff of is the groundwater and the precipitation of all these of they can the further divided into 0 4 zone vegetation zone, open zone water, and bottom mud of the surface film. The size depth of pond after the virgin and greatly with the time of year. Many pond are produced by the sparing flooding and the river ponds. Maybe fresh water is the breaks in the nature ponds with the star water with the direct connection to be sea the maintains for essentially word normally is the recorded as a part of the marriage environment because that word not sport fresh the breaks water of the organism so not the readily with realm of the freshwater science found of are usually by definition quick slow water bodies with the varying and the abundance of about the land of the animals depth of the essential water level variable and fixed amount of the light reaching the pond and the shape presence of the large mammal of the composition of any flesh communicate of the slightly can be all affected on the types of the plant animal communicates presence of website and the base both free float ugly and open aquatic plant and they are is usually revolve around of the aquatic life with is a few example including the snap and the first water blank and frogs tutorial other of the musket and the predator maybe include large fish herons and the alligator since and flash are the major predator open the when liver pound tear the daring up each other there be killing in the resented flesh and the previous important of reflection of the impact breeding pound of the completely each year after now as a random poll. Some pound is the produced by animal activities include allergy holes and the braver pound that these use add in importance of dis- diversity in the landscape. Pound are the frequencies made by the expanded use their originally depth of the pound and by the atom Benji curses apart for their rule highly biodiverse and nation freshwater ecosystem. Pond have the head and the trading pond is used to fundamentally natural freshwater economic pond have the head and still was a many use included providing water of the agriculture livestock and the communities is editing of the habitat restoration serving and the breeding is a group for local and migrate species and decorative is the compound of the landscape of architecture is the band's journal and urbanization interscopes of bands of population and sound of scenes of great cases technical destination between a pond and the lake has not been universe taking biology and the purpose for the definition for pound and in part of include bodies of water where light penetrate is the bottom of water bodies. Bodies of water shallow enough of the rotate water is the plant of grow uh, thaw out and bodies of water which lake use and the most not now and according to the some organization and the researching has trade of technical definition of the pond and lake that is raised size along some region of the United States is used to pound and bodies water of the surface area of less than 100 across to 10 cross mini scholar now as the land and 100 lakes is definitionally but also say that a lake destination primarily by the waves action reaching is the shore having among organization and the researching of destination lake the from ponds by size along there is a universal